Today we've been working with 12th Armoured Brigade to build our Bravo tactical training kit. The kit features a variety of rooms, windows and doorways, perfect for a number of training scenarios. The structure took under 2 hours to build and less than an hour to pack down and store away. Whether temporary, semi-permanent or permanent, QUICKBLOCK can provide a realistic and efficient training experience.
Yeah, I'm Major Gary Thompson. I'm the Senior Major of One Royal Welsh, and training infrastructure is one of the things that I am delivering to the battalion at the moment, and therefore the interest in QUICKBLOCK and how we deliver our urban lethality is one of the key development areas for this battalion. This comes from a series of requirements. Although we're an armoured infantry battle group, what we need to do is really develop our urban training and what lethality and how we sequence that lethality in the dismounted role. And QUICKBLOCK is a very quick, fast and substantial solution to that training requirement. This is early stages at the moment. The exciting thing is QUICKBLOCK can be easily set up, and therefore we aim to take this on our overseas exercises, build infrastructure to train with here in camp, and really allow within the subunits and the platoons an element of freedom to practice their TTPs in order for them to develop skills in a scenario that best suits them. Initially, we're really impressed. It's very easy to set up. It takes the minimum of training. As ever, soldiers have to understand how to use the equipment properly in order not to break it. But the exciting thing is this is very quick, and we can get QUICKBLOCK into our training planning schedule in order for us to deliver the training using QUICKBLOCK in our forecast of events. Yeah, I would recommend this for any unit. What you've got to do is understand what you're trying to achieve. In our case, it's the urban scenario. There could be certain units that prefer to have isolated room combat. Some units may prefer to exercise in a trench system. Other units may want to use QUICKBLOCK for command post training and surveillance training as well. So there's a variety of training uses, but for us, it's all about us delivering platoon integrated lethality at the soldier end.